Alright guys, we're back. We got the transmission in. The boys did come up and they did help out. Sorry I didn't videotape putting it in. I'm sure everybody knows how transmission goes in. It's only 4 bolts, stick it in the hole. I'll give you guys a quick overview. And the surprise that I had, I'm sorry we didn't get the whole entourage of getting it off, but my boy Mac picked something up today. And we're going to clean it, paint it, put it in, fire it up. If it don't work, it's going right back to the owner, and we're getting a full refund. No questions asked. So they said put it in just the way it is, don't touch it, and that's what we're doing. Yes?
That's what they said.
Okay. So it's a 406 cubic inch Chevrolet small block. How much compression, Mac?
11 and a half.
Alright, can you please look at the camera when you speak? You're talking to
Yeah.
the audience. Guys,
Baby.
what happened? You became camera shy.
11 and a half.
It's a
little small block.
It's a little puppy motor.
325 horsepower.
That's it. So it's a little puppy motor, small block, 406, 11 and a half to 1, solid roller. Camshaft specs are unknown. Unknown camshaft specs. We got a real good deal on this. So when we're ready to fire it up, we're going to borrow a carburetor from the person who sold us the engine. So we have no discrepancies if, you couldn't get it started, you screwed it up with the carburetor. Exactly. So we got no problems. We're going to use their carburetor, fire it up, get it running.
If this motor pops or pings, it ain't going to be a carburetor. The only thing that'll make this pop or ping is bad valve springs. Period.
Gotcha. Alright guys. So that's today's update so far. Right now, let me get back under the car while they clean and spit shine their engine, and I'll be back. Let me give you guys a quick view. There it is. We got the member ready. We got the transmission mount ready. We got all the tools ready. Imagine that. We're getting good at this, guys. And the tranny is up. The tranny is up. 4 bolts. Right there. 1 there, 1 on the top, 1 on that side, 1 on there. Slides right into the throwout bearing, into the case. Like I said, I'm sure everybody who watches this channel, we're all car guys. We all know what's going on. So I don't really have to show you exactly. So let me start bolting up the rest of the stuff. If Uncle Peter would close the door, we could keep the garage nice and warm, and I don't have to put my jacket back on. But, you know, the heat and electric, prices, nobody pays for but me. Anyway, guys, enough fooling around. Let me get to work, and I'll give you a view when it's all done. We'll be back. Alright, guys, tranny's up, transmission mount is on, cross members up. Drive shaft sump. We got the boys here as usual giving me a hand. Let me give you a quick view what's going on. Drive shaft is up. Transmission's up. Pretty simple. You got the 2 transmission cross member bolts. You got the long one that goes there, the long one goes there. You got the tranny mount there, bolts to that. You got the speed sensor, and I got one, believe it's a neutral safety switch, which I don't have a plug where it goes to. I got to look and see how this car was working with the neutral safety switch. I think it might be due to the fact that it's a different wiring harness. I don't know. I got to look into that. We got to see what that's about. But we're plugging along and we're getting something done here, guys. I'm going to probably throw the exhaust up and go from there. Hopefully tomorrow we can get the brakes done and start this thing up. But what I noticed... Look what's going on outside, guys. It was snowing really, really bad, but it's stopped now, so that's good. Alright guys, so that's going to be it. Like I said, I'm just going to mount the transmission. The transmission is mounted, the drive shaft is mounted, and we're plugging along. That's going to be it for this video. Mackey's spit shining his engine here.
Yeah, you know, gotta have a clean motor.
Clean motor.
Gotta have a clean motor.
That's the before and after. He's been scrubbing it for the last 3
then
hours.
it gets new valve covers, new water neck, all this shit goes, and a new painted block.
Okay, so that's the update. Stay tuned. We're going to have that built real soon. It's going in what?
Monte Carlo.
Monte Carlo. What year?
86.
86 Monte Carlos getting the small block 400. With what kind of transmission?
Haven't decided yet.
And what about gear ratio?
Haven't decided yet.
Okay, undisclosed tranny and gears.
Haven't decided yet.
Oh my God. Alright guys, like I said, hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, smash that like, subscribe button, hit the notification for all update videos. Until the next time, have a great day, better tomorrow. Peace.